Hello children, welcome to Ablon Public School at Home. I am Yasir, back again with very interesting topic in the end of this unit number 5, which is quizzes. Okay, so dear students, here we will play a game of quizzes related to your unit 5. So are you excited for that? Great. So dear students, before the start I would like to share some good habits by which you can improve your health. Okay, so today's good habit is what we should eat and what we should avoid in our daily life. Okay dear student, as we are eating on daily basis junk food, okay, like burgers, chow meins, french fries, right, cold drinks. So dear students, we should avoid these kind of foods, and as well as we should use home meal in our daily routine. Okay dear students, as much as we can avoid to the outside food, that would be beneficial for all of us. So dear students, from today onwards, start working on it. Start avoiding outside food, means junk food like burger, french fries, pizza, cold drinks. Instead of these, you can use some homemade drinks like shikanji and many more. Okay students, now let's get back to the topic. So dear students, as I have already informed to you, today's topic is quiz competition. Okay, so dear students, first of all I would like to communicate, I would like to explain some rules of the quiz competition. So point number one is, there will be 5 teams. I will ask one question. So dear students, here we cannot make the team basically because we are not in the school due to this COVID-19 pandemic. So dear students, I will ask one question from each team. So again we will have to avoid the team. I will choose a student. So you all are the student of my team. So you all will have to give the answer of these questions of quizzes. Okay. So you all will have to write question and answer in your EVS notebook. Okay. This is work of your notebook. This work you will have to complete in your EVS notebook. So shall we start now? Okay, great. Quiz time started now. Question number 1 is, what are the 2 type of disasters? So I hope you all can give this answer because we have learnt very effectively about the disasters, right? Now 1, 2, 3, eyes on screen. What are the 2 type of disasters? Natural disaster and man-made disasters. These are the type of disasters. Okay. Now let's take one more question. Next question. What are the 2 type of natural disasters? 1, 2, 3. Eyes on screen. The 2 types of natural disasters are meteorological and geological. Okay. Now next question is, what are the 3 types of natural meteorological disaster? Look at the answer. The 3 type of natural meteorological disasters are cyclone, floods and droughts. Now take next question. What are the 3 type of natural geological disasters? The 3 types of natural geological disasters are earthquakes, tsunamis and volcanic eruptions. Okay. Now take a look one more question. Next question. This is very important question dear students till 10th class. Okay. What are the causes of global warming? Now take a look the answer. increase in greenhouse gases due to burning of fossil fuel is one of the main cause of global warming. So dear students, by working on these points, by avoiding fossil fuels, we can save our global warming. We can prevent our earth from the global warming. Now, what are the effects of global warming? So dear students, as I have already explained to you all, that what are the effects of global warming and how we can prevent, how we can reduce these kind of effects. Look at the answer. Climate change and the planet getting warmer are effects of global warming. So as you all are observing that in winter period there is temperature, sometime temperature is hot in the winter period. So why this is happening? This is happening only by the global warming. Only this is the main cause of global warming. How can we reduce global warming, dear students? As I have already explained to you through a video. Now look at these points once again. Planting more trees, number 1. Burning less fossil fuels, number 2. If we use less electricity, then we will need less fossil fuel to produce electricity, and hence less greenhouse gases to warm the planet. So dear students, these are very effective points by which we can reduce global warming. Okay. What type of disaster does the image show? So dear students, what type of disaster is it? Guess it, guess it. It's a drought. Okay, this is a drought. What type of disaster does the image show? What type of disaster is this? This is a cyclone, as we have learned in the previous videos, right? Now next question, what type of disaster does the image show? Guesses. This is a flood. Okay, what type of disaster does the image show? It's earthquake. Okay, what type of disaster does the image show? Tsunami. This is a tsunami. Okay, what type of disaster does the image show? This is a volcanic eruption. Using the images below, explain what you should do in case of an earthquake. So dear student, this is a very important question. We all must aware about these steps which I am going to explain through this video. These steps are drop, cover, hold on. Okay, drop yourself, cover yourself, and keep yourself under that under that particular thing. Okay, like table, chair, some more wooden things. Okay, so you can prevent yourself by using these kind of equipment in case of earthquake. Now look at here, drop, take, cover, and hold on. Move as little as possible. So as little you can fold yourself, just fold it at the time of earthquakes. So by doing these kind of activities, you can prevent yourself very easily, right? Using the image below, explain what you should do in case of an earthquake. What do you do? Inside or outside? Never be inside. Move away from the furniture that can fall on you. If you are outside, then stay away from buildings, walls, and power poles. Okay, because if they damaged, through the earthquake, then they will damage to you as well, right? Now next question is, which human activity can cause droughts? This is also very important question for your further classes. Deforestation can cause droughts. Dear students, as we have already learned about these these questions, okay? Deforestation can cause droughts. Which activity can prevent floods? Check the answer. Planting trees can prevent floods. Again, trees are playing a very important role in our life, okay? Now next question, mention 3 things you can do to minimize the damage due to cyclone. Dear student, this is also very important question. So let us check the answer. Number 1 is build a strong house that can withstand heavy wind and rain. Vehicles should be parked under a solid shelter. Keep listening to updates from the authorities. Trees can be monitored to ensure they have strong roots. Keep a good stock first aid kits. Okay. Fill in the blanks. The earth's crust is made up of space, plates and their movement against each other cause earthquake. So what is your answer? Your answer is tectonic plates. Okay. Which scale is used to measure how big or small an earthquake is? Dear students, as I have already explained to you, this is a Richter scale. Through the Richter scale we can measure the pressure of earthquake. Okay. So dear students, this was the quiz in the end of unit 5. Now dear students, in that next video we will cover some good points of first aid, how we can make our first aid kit and how we can use it in properly manner. Okay, so this is all about today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this quiz. Thank you very much. See you soon with the next video. Have a nice day.